Hello friends and welcome back to another video. My previous series of making a game have finished, so I have decided to create another series in which I will show you different Python libraries. So the first library which I am going to cover is Pandas. It is used for data handling, data science, and we can do pretty much everything with data using Pandas. So let's get started. So first of all, you guys can see here I have a file which is vgsales.csv. It is basically a dataset of video game sales, and we are going to handle the data in this file. So first of all, let's open PyCharm and create a new project. I will name it YT. Let's wait for it. You guys can see my project is created. Let's create an empty script and I will name it P01. Let me zoom in. After that, open the terminal and you have to install Pandas. For that, you have to write pip install Pandas. You guys can see here that my Pandas library is successfully installed. But before getting started with coding, you have to move your dataset in any format to the directory in which your Python script is located. My dataset is in the format of CSV. Yours can be in TXT, XLSX or whatever. So after that, when I move to PyCharm, you guys can see here that here is the vgsales.csv file, and if I open the CSV file, you guys can see it is pretty much messed up. So to organize data, to handle data, we have to import Pandas. I will write here import Pandas as pd, and I will make a variable df is equal to pd.readcsv, and in the empty parentheses the name of the file which I have moved to the directory, which is vgsales.csv. After that, I am going to write a print statement which is print and df. And before running the code, I have to add the configuration. So let's add it. And now if I run the code, you guys can see here is the table of rows and columns. As there were many rows and many columns, they are abbreviated as these dots. But if I want some of the data, like first 5 rows or last 5 rows, let's suppose I want first 5 rows, then I will write df.head and in the empty parentheses 5. You guys can see here I have 5 rows, which is Wii Sports, Super Mario Bros, etc, etc. And if I want the last 5 rows, then I will write tail in the empty parentheses 5. And after running the code, you guys can see here I have got the last 5 rows of video games. So here you guys can see that the data is presented in arranged tabular form, but when we open the CSV file, it is pretty much messed up. So this is the advantage of using Pandas. So in this video, I have shown you how you can load data from a dataset into a Python script using Pandas, and I have also shown you how you can read first few lines and the last few lines of your dataset. So in the next video, I will show you all about reading data from dataset using Pandas. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.